Nagpapakahirap tayong mag-work abroad, no? Nag-iipon tayo. And as a realtor here in the Philippines, I made sure na hindi lang talaga ako nakapartner sa isang developer. At yung ino-offer ko is yung nagbibring lang ng quality product and services because we're not buying a property here, guys. We are buying your dream. On the last quarter of 2024, I observed that there was a shift when it comes to real estate investment here in Nuvali, particularly in Metro Santa Rosa City, Laguna. We all know even if you are looking for a property in Nuvali or Metro City, Santa Rosa, Laguna, almost all of the offerings here are all lot-only projects. So this is very evident to the projects that we're seeing in Nuvali, may it be from Avida, may it be from Alveo or Ayala Land Premier, also in Greenfield City, Solen Residences, Trava, and in the Binyan part, which is we have a new player there, Heartwood Village by Federal Land, and kahit dito sa Silang Cavite by Cathay Land, no, mga lot projects. And napakaganda kapag bumibili ka ng lote mo, lalo na if you are having a goal of building your retirement or your dream home. Yung mga clients natin abroad na gusto mag-retire here at gusto talaga na masunod yung sarili nilang layout ng bahay at kung gaano kalaki at spacious, no, yung living, dining, and yung backyard nyo, pwedeng-pwede lalo na sa lot. But the interesting is, marami na rin na bumibili ng house and lot packages here in the area. Maybe number one, I think, is because of the emotional stress and of course, no, the proximity of the investors here in the Philippines. Most especially if you are living abroad, you are preparing for your retirement, and we all know, no, to tell you honestly, hindi naman lang bahay, lote, or condo lang yung binibili ko. Kailangan mo rin talaga ng effort even if you're having a meeting with your contractor, with your architect and interior designer, even through Zoom, mag-a-allot ka pa rin talaga ng time, energy, and effort. At yung iba, gusto na lang na, Jaire, wala ba tayong bahay na lang? Pero of course, no, we all know the standards of your home there in the US, in Canada, or kung saan ka man nakatira ngayon, and of course, yung standard ng bahay na tinatayo dito sa Philippines. Good news! Now, no, as your realtor specializing here in the South, Rockwell Land Development Corporation, nag-offer sila ng premium house and lot package na talagang para ka rin nagpapagawa ng sarili mong bahay kasi you will choose kung gaano kalaki yung gusto mong maging living dining area, kung ilang bedrooms at gaano kalaki yung lot mo. Ganun din sa Hana Garden Villas, no? Pwede kang magpa-customize kung gusto mong tanggalin na, uy, kung 3-bedroom tong ino-offer nyo, baka pwedeng 2-bedroom tapos gawin na lang nating family hall. Mag-upgrade na lang ako. Not just that, pati sa furniture, sa type of finishing, kung marble yung gusto mo, up until sa kung anong klaseng trees yung ipuput mo sa backyard mo, naka-customize na. So ngayon, the intention of this video is for me to educate you guys na meron na rin po tayong mabibili na kung ayaw nyo ng lote lang, kung ayaw nyo ng emotional stress, or kung hindi naman kayong type of person na, ay okay na ako, Jaire, ng bahay na para lilipat na lang kami. Pero meron pa rin konting flexibility when it comes to customizing it. This video is perfect for you. So I will present you the top 3 hot house and lot packages that we're offering now in Metro City, Santa Rosa, Laguna. Number 1, so magsisimula tayo sa most affordable, the newest house and lot offering of Avida inside Nuvali by Crisella. So again, the name of the project is Crisella. This is developed by Avida of Ayala. So technically, dahil nasa most affordable segment siya ng mga nag-offer ng house and lot packages dito, nasa mid-segment siya, no, ni Ayala. Because Ayala Land is composed of 5. Ayala Land Premier, Alveo, Avida, Amaya, and Bella Vita. So for Avida, mixture of lot only and house and lot packages yung ino-offer nila sa isang subdivision or community. And right now, naubos na po ang houses natin sa Southdale settings and sa Aberdeen Estates, Nuvali, which is yun yung previous no na in-offer ng Avida inside Nuvali. Ngayon, you have the chance because they have their newest offering, which is Crescella, offering also a house and lot packages located in Nuvali Heights. So to tell you honestly, when I'm observing it from the commercial area of Solenad or of Nuvali, which is nandun si Solenad, yung sikat na koi fishing area, yung man-made lake, no, at malapit sa Santa Rosa, Tagaytay Road, it's about 15 to 20 minutes away from there. Kasi nasa Nuvali Heights na kasi, no, si Crescella at napakalaki po ng Nuvali. Sinasakop siya ng Cabuyao, Santa Rosa, and Calamba. Which is si Crescella is already in the Calamba part of Nuvali na. But if gusto nyo ng okay lang Jair na mag-drive ako, mataas yung land elevation, this is perfect for you and napakaganda ng pricing niya. Nag-offer sila ng dalawang house models. So they're offering Erin model, which is a 3-bedroom unit, and Solea, which is a 4-bedroom unit. So for this one, Avida, hindi po sila nagko-customize. Mamaya pupunta tayo doon sa mga bahay na customizable, which is on the premium side. Dito, kung ano po yung layout na i-deliver sa inyo, yun din po yung makukuha nyo. Pero ang maganda dito, kahit naka-fix na yung house floor area ng Avida house ninyo, pwede naman kayong kumuha ng house and lot package na mas malaki yung ma-offer na lot area. Of course, mas mahal nga lang siya dahil mas malaki na yung magiging lot area nyo for your bigger backyard or open space. So let's discuss the computation so you have an idea because Crescella is a pre-selling project of Avida inside Nuvali. So let's discuss first the 3-bedroom and 2-toilet and bath unit, which is the Erin model, sitting on a 169 square meter lot area. So the total contract price including the other charges and miscellaneous fees is at 14,847,375 pesos. Pwede nyong bayaran yung 25% ng total contract price into 42 months. Kasi almost 4 years po ang down payment term natin to for only 86,472 pesos and 47 centavos for 42 months or almost 4 years. And the balance na maiiwan, which is at 11.1 million after the 42-month down payment term, you can loan it through bank or pwede nyo siyang bayawasan, mag-balloon payment kayo sa dulo para mas maliit po yung ilo-loan nyo sa future at mas maliit na lang din yung iinteresan. But if you're looking for a bigger and with a lot of bedrooms, we have Solea model with 4 bedrooms sitting on an average lot area of 168 square meters. The total contract price including other charges is at 16,060,937 and 50 centavos. Again, 20% naman po yung naka-allot dito sa down payment for 45 months. Almost 4 years, at amounting to 71,186 and 8 centavos. So again, 4-bedroom po si Solea, around 71,000 pesos. 44 months po naka-stretch yung down payment term, which is 20% of the total contract price. And then yung remaining 80% with an amount of 12.8 million, you can loan it through bank. So if you are looking for an affordable and yet quality deliverable here in the area, makapwesto po ng house and lot package, this is a very good deal by Avida's Crescella. Kasi kahit nasa Calamba na po siya, kahit na medyo malayo siya ngayon, napakaganda po mag-develop sa loob ng Nuvali. And at the same time, you are located on one of the highest elevation in Nuvali, which is Nuvali Heights. Number 2, Hannah Garden Villas. This became my instant favorite na house and lot packages dito sa area because this is very exclusive. This is not developed by Ayala, by the way, but this is really right beside Nuvali. At kung sino po yung nag-master plan kay Nuvali, ito rin yung nag-master plan sa community na ito. So imagine, hinire nila yung master planner ng buong Nuvali. This is a joint venture of Chan Towing. So technically, Chan is from Marie Chan clan. Family nila is may real estate development or business here in the Philippines. And of course, a venture of one of the most prominent Japanese company in Japan. So this is a very premium house, mamimili ka kung anong type of materials yung gusto mo sa flooring, and kung gusto mo na i-upgrade yung toilet mo na yung parang mga Japanese toilets, and at the same time, kung gusto mong ma-customize na, okay, pwedeng bang magkaroon ng family hall, pwede bang mas malaki yung magiging kitchen area ko, pwede up until sa mga materials. Kung gusto mong gaano ka-premium at pati sa shade. Kung gusto mo on a lighter shade ka or kung gusto mo on a darker shade yung feels ng bahay mo. Kasi they are also partnered with the Locsin architectural firm and the other architectural firm here in the Philippines. So they are offering two types of houses. Number one is the 3-bedroom unit of Hannah Garden Villa. So technically, it's a premium townhouse or a villa. This is not your usual townhouse, no? This is really a premium villa amounting to 28,545,000. So the 10% spot would be after your first monthly reservation. So, for example, nag-reserve ka ngayong January no, ng 100,000 pesos. So, after the 100,000 peso reservation on January, the following month, February, mag-spot ka lang ng 10%, which is at 2,826,000 pesos. And for 20 months, yun na yung down payment term mo or yung magiging monthly amortization mo at 141,300 pesos. Yung maiiwan na balanse, no, which amounts to 23,600,000 pesos, which is technically 80% of the total contract price, you can loan it through bank. So imagine, very exclusive kasi less than 190 units lang po ang total number of houses dito kay Hannah Garden Villas. Just 5 minutes away from the Soledad area of Nuvali. Actually, mas malapit pa nga siya kaysa sa ibang residential communities po ni Nuvali of Ayala. And at the same time, may access ka rin kasi hindi naman porket bumili ka, kunwari for example kay Hannah, which is a different developer by Ayala of Nuvali, bawal ka na mag-access doon. So shared po lahat kasi naka-design talaga ito parang BGC. Hindi lang naman Ayala yung nagtatayo doon. Merong Mega World, merong Federal Land, pero sila, they are enjoying, all of the investors there or all of the residents there are enjoying the whole development of BGC. So again, if you are looking for a premium Japanese home, napakaganda dahil customizable yung material at meron pang mga magagandang upgrades, then Hannah Garden Villas is perfect for you. Securing the top spot is the very first premium home offering of Rockwell Land Corporation all over the Philippines, located in Rockwell South at Carmel Ray. So this is technically beside again ng Nuvali. If a flash namin, meron po kaming video about the premium home offering of Rockwell South at Carmel Ray of Rockwell Land Development. So technically, hindi ko na po ipapaliwanag yung developer. This is one of the most or prominent developers here in the Philippines, and alam naman natin kung paano sila gumawa ng development. Very active ang Rockwell Land Development Corporation ngayon, no? Napakadami nilang mga developments, not just in Laguna, also in Lipa, Batangas, in Visayas, in Bulacan, and in Pampanga. So technically full-blown talaga no yung pag-develop ng Rockwell Land Development, but Rockwell South at Carmel Ray yung isa sa konting premium development nila dito. Actually, yung home nila or house and lot na ino-offer nila, which is naka-launch lang no last December 2024, napakaganda ni dito kasi para kang, of course no, para kang merong house menu, para kang nasa restaurant na una magpipick ka muna ng lot. Sunod, aside from that, no, after mo ma-pick yung lot kung gaano kalaki yung lot na gusto mo, the second one, ipipick mo na kung ano yung house model na gusto mo or yung exterior facade. They have Azotea, which is yun yung nasa darker finish, and Colonnette, which is on the lighter finish. And this is not your usual modern Filipino home because they are partnered with Tayo Design and Architecture, and katulad ng Hannah Garden Villas, ito po yung house and lot package na ko-customize mo kung ano po yung gusto mong layout ng interior mo. So, kung ikaw yung type of person na lagi kang nagpapa-attend ng guests, no, gusto mo ng parties, pwede sa'yo yung house model layout nila na malaki yung living and dining room sa baba and yung kitchen area. Then on the first floor, walang bedroom para mas makapag-accommodate ka pa ng mas maraming guests. The other one naman is the extended layout, which is you have a bedroom, no, sa baba, and another 3 bedroom sa taas. So technically, this is 4 bedrooms po yung house na ino-offer ni Rockwell South. And aside from that, no, mamimili ka kung ano yung gusto mong upgrades. Maganda na po yung mga finishing. Technically, kung kino-compare ko nga to, no, sa mga condo na ino-offer ni Rockwell sa Makati area, kung titignan ko yung price per square meter ng mga condo, of course, that's Makati. Nasa around 180,000 to 200,000 pesos per square meter. Imagine, if nagpaplano ka ng premium retirement home mo na house and lot package, ganun lang din po ang price per square meter. Pero dito, sa Laguna, sa Rockwell South, you are already owning a land, not just your usual land, because you are inside the Rockwell development, which is very premium. Magkakaroon kayo ng commercial outlets, underground electricity, sitting yung house mo at a minimum of 250 square meter lot. So yung upgrades, pwede kang magpagawa ng gazebo sa kanila, ng fencing. Ito yung sinasabi ko na pati type of trees, pwede nyo pong i-customize sa kanila kung ano yung gusto mong piliin. Again, less than 50 units lang kayo sa community, very exclusive. Ang introductory price nila for a 250 square meter lot area is at 45 million. Magre-reserve ka lang no ng 250,000 pesos 1 month after the date of reservation. Mag-spot ka ng 10%, which is about around 4.2 million pesos. And then after that, the following month, mag-start na yung 24-month down payment mo at 250,000 pesos per month. Yung maiiwan na balance na 31.5 million, which is after 2 years or after your 24 monthly down payment term, pwede mong i-loan sa bank or mag-balloon payment ka or pwede mong i-pay in cash, no? Dahil you are also buying the time kapag bumibili ka sa pre-selling stage. Actually, napakaganda nga ng timing ngayon kay Rockwell South for their houses kasi introductory price pa lang, kaka-launch pa lang po. Pero more than 50% na agad yung na-acquire na units. I know kung gaano kahalaga sa atin na bumili, no, may it be for end use yan, for rental, lalong-lalo na. If retirement property yung pinaplano mo, nagpapakahirap tayong mag-work abroad, no, nag-iipon tayo, and as a realtor here in the Philippines, I made sure na hindi lang talaga ako nakapartner sa isang developer. At yung ino-offer ko is yung nagbibring lang ng quality product and services. Because, yeah, we're not buying a property here, guys. We are buying your dream. We are buying kung ano yung lifestyle na gusto nyo kapag nag-retire na kayo dito sa Pilipinas, no? Because there's no place like home. And these houses, if you are the type of person ngayon or nakaka-realize kayo na, yeah, no, nakapag-invest nga ako, Jaire, ng lot dati, hindi ko mapagawaan ngayon. I-flip na lang natin, Jaire, and ang ganda, no, na meron palang mga ganyang kagandang house and lot packages dyan sa New Valley. Dahil yan din talaga yung location. A suburban living, hindi malayo sa lifestyle ko dito. For example, sa United States or Canada or Australia, this house and lot packages are perfect for you. So if you want to inquire, kung gusto nyo pong matulungan ko kayo, no, lalong-lalo na sa mga pre-selling properties natin, actually itong tatlong to pre-selling pa rin talaga siya, lalong-lalo na si Rockwell South at si Crescela. Feel free to inquire through my local number, iMessage, Viber, and WhatsApp account. That's +63927 185 1590. Again, that's +63927 185 1590. My business email, thepropertygeekph@gmail.com. My Facebook page, The Property Geek, and I am still contributing twice a month at the Manila Bulletin Property Living section. And yeah, no, you may straightly contact me, no, on my personal Facebook account. You can directly contact me there. That's Jaire Valerio Mamaklay. Add nyo lang po ako, or if hindi na ako ma-add, no, kasi medyo parang puno na po yata yung friend request ko, directly message me lang po at nag-send naman po or nag-check naman po ako from time to time ng message request ko. So, thank you so much po. Napaka-fulfilling po ng ginagawa natin na to. Gaya nga po ng sinabi ko kanina, napakahalaga po ng ginagawa ko dito ngayon kasi hindi lang talaga ang aim ko is to just offer you a property because I know kung ano man po yung i-invest nyo, kung gaano kalaking money, maliit man yan or malaki, condo man yan, lot man yan or house and lot, pinaghirapan po natin yan. So I'm here to always help you from the date of your purchase up until the turnover. So again, maraming salamat po sa pagtutok. This is me again, Jaire Mamaklay, your property geek, always inviting you to come home to the Philippines.